Gold and oil forecast for the 7th of March. Welcome back. It's been a while. We're going to take a look at gold and oil again. The last time I spoke about gold, these are some points I marked on, and clearly I suggested that gold was going to take off, and that's exactly what happened. But looking at gold now, I'll just remove all this. Quite clearly, this impulse wave upwards is unsustainable. If we look at the RSI, we are way overbought, and you just could not possibly be buying at these levels, regardless of whether you think gold goes higher or not. If I come out to the weekly time frame, in fact, let's go to the monthly time frame quick. Every time we get these spikes into a new high, wherever that may be, we shoot back down, we get the profit taken. So what we're going to look at is this. We have, today is Thursday, we got unemployment claims, we got the ECB press conference. You know how I feel about that. We can often see a sell in gold during or after the ECB. And then I've just realised we have NFP as well tomorrow. So this could lead to a lot of profit taking, which, you know, looks well for gold. Now, trying to catch a top or a bottom, you know, not recommended. If you're going to try this, make sure you have a separate account or you really do limit your risk. But I'm going to be taking small sells here. And where's the target going to be? So let's get a short position. Let's say we enter here. And my risk, I don't want to risk too much. So I'm going to enter here. Stops are, still can't see that. 2,200, still too much for me. Bring these right down. 2,177. That is already really good risk to reward there. Risk 1, 5 reward back. Right, so I've just entered a trade on gold on my phone. This is level $2,161 per ounce. Stops 2177, 2188-ish. Target is going to be all the way down here, just below 2,100. I can see a reversal here, and this is quite clearly unsustainable with the RSI at this level. Coming into, we'll go down to the 2 hours. In fact, let's go right down to the 5 minute. We can see this price action here. We're stalling, we've had a huge spike there, albeit on the smaller time frame. And now I believe we're going to start to reverse a little bit. By tomorrow, I could see us closing it around 2,150-ish, 2,145. And then next week, potentially lower. If we now go to oil, where are we? Right, daily time frame on oil. Said it would be a buy into these levels last time. That happened. It's been quite choppy, but as you can see, we had an impulse and now we have corrective movement upwards. That suggests oil will now go down. As you know, if you looked at the price action video, impulse followed by corrective price action in the same direction as the impulse usually leads to a reversal. Now, oil and gold, they tend to move sort of in tandem. So this further adds to the fact that gold is due a fall. And I just can't wait for this. I think this is a really good trade setup. The risk to reward is great. And I just can't wait for this trade. I think it's a really good risk to reward. Remember to take steps to minimize risk, whether you trade this on a separate account or whether you just trade it with a very small amount. You certainly don't want to be taking huge risks when you're trying to call a top or bottom, but I'm fairly confident the top is very near and we are going to fall. So good luck with your trading. Hopefully we all make some money. I'll be back with you again soon.